Imagine a bustling city, always growing, always changing. That, dear viewers, is quite similar to what's happening inside our bodies with our cells. Now picture these cells undergoing a cycle, a process of division that's fundamental for growth, development, and repair in all living organisms. This process, known as the cell cycle, is our body's way of maintaining balance. And understanding it can help us comprehend how our bodies function and even how certain diseases like cancer develop. So how do these microscopic building blocks of life manage to multiply and maintain the balance? Dive into the microscopic world of a cell, where division isn't as simple as just splitting in two. The cell cycle, the process by which cells grow and divide, is composed of several stages: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Let's break it down. In the interphase stage, which consists of the G1, S, and G2 phases, the cell is not merely twiddling its thumbs. Rather, it is busily preparing for division by growing, replicating its DNA, and making final preparations. It's a bit like a performer rehearsing before the big show. Next comes mitosis, the main event where the cell's nucleus, containing all that carefully copied DNA, divides. And finally, there's cytokinesis, the final act where the rest of the cell splits into two daughter cells. Remember, cells spend most of their time in interphase, rehearsing for the big split. But what happens when a cell is ready to divide? When a cell has grown and copied all its DNA, it's showtime, the cell is ready to divide. Let's dive into this fascinating act of division, starting with mitosis. Picture a dance in 4 parts. First, prophase, where the cell's DNA condenses into visible chromosomes, preparing for the upcoming performance. Next, metaphase, where the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell like dancers on a stage. The third act, anaphase, is a dynamic one. Here, the chromosomes separate and move to opposite sides of the cell like partners in a choreographed dance. Finally, we have telophase, where new nuclear membranes form around each set of chromosomes, marking the end of the dance. But the show isn't over yet. Now it's time for cytokinesis, where the cell itself splits, each half carrying a complete set of chromosomes, and voila, one cell becomes 2. And just like that, one cell becomes 2, each carrying the same genetic material. So we've seen how a cell divides, but what does this mean for us? Well, the process of cell division isn't just microscopic magic. It's fundamental to life as we know it. Whether it's growth, development, or the repair of damaged tissues, cell division is at the heart of it all. Even in understanding diseases like cancer, knowledge about cell division is crucial. From a single fertilized egg to a fully grown organism, the cycle of life at its most microscopic level continues its rhythm, one cell division at a time.